So my guys just reminded me of something now. So I just want to, on a lighter note, I just want to address an incident that happened this week or last week. So when I said that if you want to be on a set with me, you can kindly contact me so that we can be on a set and have conversation. Listen, it's not because I don't have content. I shoot content every day. As I speak to you right now, I have thousands of videos. I have hard disks, SSD full of videos. The ones I've not edited, the ones I've edited that are yet to be posted. Sometimes I'm tired of posting because I don't automate my videos yet. I don't automate them yet. I post them myself. I go through them. Some videos I re-edit them again because of certain things that I said that I'm like, okay, I'm more matured now. I've gone far. I've gone higher. These things can go out again. Do you understand? I have videos. So I'm not out of content. If I don't shoot videos again and I'm posting content every day, if I post 100 videos every day, in the next 1 year, I will not run out of content. You can call it capping. That's your own cup of tea. I've been shooting videos for years. So I'm saying that to say this. So when I say you should come on set to have conversations with me, it's just because I just want something new. I just want to make lively stuff. Just see people I can help, people I can impart. Just do something new. Just expand my tentacles. Affect other people. That's it. So you are not coming to help me. Somebody contacted me on recent and said they wanted to be on my podcast. And I'm like, okay, a friend of mine. After arranging and doing everything on the day, is not telling me I'm sorry. I'm like, are you high? Are you okay? I'm the one spending my money to arrange everything for you and you are telling me, giving me excuses. That's okay, no problem. Thank you very much. I ended it. Then I got some wonderful lady that, no issues with her, wanted to be on a set with me. I don't know who she spoke with. Maybe she spoke with somebody and she asked me, are you going to post it on your YouTube? I'm like, yes. Said, okay, you have to tag me. I'm like, do you understand what it means to sit down on a set with me? I don't mean that pridefully or being braggadocious. Like, you don't understand what it means to sit on a set with me. You don't understand, right? Some of us, we don't understand these things. We think we are mate with everybody. No, it's not like that. Oh, please, I want to advise. No people will pass you for life. Not be every time now you want to gain something from person. You just meet the person. You just believe, say, oh, I must make this opportunity. No, sometimes sacrifice. Just do what you need to do. By the way, my accounts are not monetized. So I'm not trying to make money off you when you sit on a set with me. No, I'm not doing that. So put that at the back of your mind. So I told the lady, don't worry, don't come on the set again. Because she was thinking probably I will make money off her since I'm not paying you. I'm not paying you. Like how? I asked anybody that wants to volunteer to be on the set with me. You say you volunteered and you're telling me if I'm not paying you, I should tag you. Like, I don't tag people. I post thousands of videos every day, so I don't have time tagging you. I'll give you the video. You can go and use it, whatever you want to do with it. You have access to the video. Even sitting on a set with me alone is enough publicity for you. And I will talk about your business. So why are you stressing me now? Do you understand? For example, if you ask me now, when I did podcast with Kegan, I wasn't going to... who told you I don't have document for that? I wasn't going to give Kegan document and say, hey, your account is monetized. You collect money from YouTube, so you give me some share. Am I high? Am I okay? I know people when pass me. I may have knowledge, I'm also a dogo on my own right, on my own level, right? But I can't be comparing myself with Kegan or Fisayo or Eric. We are not mates. These guys are ahead of me in things they do. So if I want to go on a podcast with Eric now or Fisayo, I will not be saying, because your account is monetized, so you will pay me some money, give me some shares. Do you know how many podcasts that have called me in this country? I don't go to some. Even if they will pay me, I don't go. I did podcast with Brit, that crypto company, Brit app, one of the best app in Nigeria on crypto matters. They paid everything to and from. When they say how much would you collect, I said, no, don't worry about what you pay me. Just take care of me. Make sure, we stay, food I will eat. And they took care of me. At the end of the day, they still gave me money. The same thing with Kegan. Kegan insisted that he must pay for my flight, pay for this. I said, Kegan, don't worry, I'll pay myself. So I'm talking to you guys, young ones. You don't know how to take advantage of opportunity. Somebody just give you room. Help me. Not me say me you suffocate me. Help me, not me say me you press my neck. Just give you room to do something. You now want to take advantage. You now want to start demanding. What is that? No people when senior you. Now which are they try to talk with that? When you see person when pass you for life, no say this person pass me. No am. It's supposed to be obvious. We get adage for my village when they talk say when senior man they tell small pikin say, oh boy, I senior you. Oh, it means say something they wrong. They are top guys that I roll with in this country. I don't talk about them. I can call them at any time. The other day and I'll end with this, what's the name of that blog? Insta blog, right? Yes, Insta blog. I think they posted one of my videos with Kegan and there was an issue and Kegan flagged them. And they had to reach out to me that, hey, what's your relationship with Kegan? I said, what's up? Kegan is my friend. I said, what's the matter? They said, so they want to reach Kegan. Kegan is now answering. I picked up my phone and I called Kegan. I'm not going to misuse the opportunity. Immediately I told Kegan that, hey, this was going on. No. He said, Raymond, don't worry, I'll take care of it. I said, okay, no wahala. I wasn't trying to show off they say, no, I will take care of it. That's all. I hanged up the call. I was okay, no wahala. Look at Baba, we'll talk later. Case closed. But some of you just carry shoulder. Any small thing you want to learn. If not, you're not go far. All these young people, because you don't they do content creation or you don't they for internet small. You confuse everybody now mate. Everybody not be now mate. Not everything be money. You must pay me. You must give me money. You must do this. You must do that. No, get sense. No, some people when you go serve them. Some people you go serve them. You will serve. It's all right. I'm done with this. Thank you. You can shut down everything. People don't just have sense. Any small thing, money, any small thing, money. Whoa, are you okay? Do you know how people got to where they are? Come on a set. You volunteer that you're going to come on a set. Oh yeah, no problem now. Enjoy. Then now you're not saying you tag me, you're demanding this, demanding that, demanding this. What's wrong with you?